everybody. Happy, what is today? Wednesday? Happy Wednesday. Maya, good morning. How you feeling this morning? All right, you took your medicine? What is it that's hurting? Like, is anything hurting? Oh, okay. Well, that Mucinex should help it. Did it make you feel any better when you took it? Oh. Did it make you go to sleep? Yeah, so Maya's gonna go ahead and go to school. She's still sick, but she's gonna go ahead and go to school. Bought her some medicine and stuff that she could take so she could, you know, feel good at school. But hopefully she can perform, you know. But yeah. Jaden's eating his breakfast and watching his favorite show. So I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. Yeah, I might have found something on the internet about some crocheting loose hairs into your dread. So we're supposed to be trying that for her frizzy dreads. Like, I tried another technique the last time I did her hair, and it's like I'm having to twist her hair every 2 weeks because it just gets messy. She wears her scarf every night, and I just don't understand how it gets so frizzy so fast. So we're gonna try that, and we're gonna try this Jamaican lime lock butter that everybody keeps telling me to try. So we're gonna do that because her hair needs to be retwisted already. So we're gonna do it this weekend. I had to carve out some time to do that because, like, it takes, you know what I'm saying, like a couple hours to do. So anyway, just want to tell y'all I'm trying a new method with her hair. I see that needle that you was talking about. I ain't never seen a crochet needle like that. You must have to get that from like the craft store or something. It's a long crochet needle that they use. It's not like the crochet needle that you crochet hair with. It's another kind of needle. Anyway, so I just wanted to tell y'all that anyway. So cute.
Let's go have a good day. There goes school, man.
Jaden, you ready to go to school? Okay. All right. Yeah, so I'm about to take Jaden to school. No, we're not running late this morning. It's early.
We're celebrating 100.
It's early, Ski. Come on, peeps. Come on, peeps. Okay. Anyway, so we're gonna see y'all. What up, y'all? Happy, what's today? I think it's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, y'all.
Yeah.
I need to put on some chapstick real quick. Can y'all sit right there? Yes, y'all can. What's up, y'all? How y'all day been going? I hope amazing. I feel like a new woman when I put on chapstick. Oh, feels so good. So good. Now, come on now. Really? Don't play with me now. All right. So, y'all, today, my girl Dion emailed me and told me that we needed to try KFC's new honey chicken or something like that. It's a chicken sandwich. It's just like the Nashville hot sandwich, all of those, you know, flavored chicken sandwiches, but this is a honey flavor or whatever. So Murder Show will be trying that, and I want some nachos today, so I'm gonna go to Ruchi's and get me some nachos. I can't friggin' wait. I can feel the crunch in my mouth right now. Y'all, my mouth is fine. Like, I'm like, what is going on? Thank God. I think the reason why my mouth is not hurting is because I hope I'm not getting sick from Maya, because anyway, I'm not even gonna claim it. What was I saying? What was I saying? Oh yeah, so I don't think that, I think since they didn't have to literally cut my tooth out, because like it was so loose, like it just, you know, it didn't take them no time to take my tooth out. I think since they didn't have to cut around it and do all of that stuff and jug it out, you know, there was not that much trauma. So that's why I'm not in, you know, pain or whatever. And I think it's fine for me to eat, you know. I had some Cheetos, so I should be able to eat some nachos. But yeah, I cannot friggin' wait to eat them. I can't wait. It's gonna be all in popping. Anyway, we're about to go get Jaden Buggy, and yeah, y'all, that's it for right now. Marisha not ready to do a video right now, and I'm checking on transportation for Jaden, because he keeps on pointing to buses, like he wants to ride the bus. Even when I go pick him up, he's pointing at the buses before we get in the car. I'm like, okay, he must want to ride that bus, you know. He see his friends getting on there, so he must want to ride, you know. So the lady that's over there is supposed to be calling me back, because they were supposed to be calling me from after we had the art meeting. They were supposed to be calling me, never did. So I had to, of course, get back with them and be like, you know, what's going on with transportation for Jaden. And so she said she had a meeting she was going into, and she was gonna call me back in about 30 minutes. So I'm waiting on her to call me back, and hopefully Jaden will be starting to ride the bus tomorrow, or maybe the next day. I don't know. Y'all, I'm cramping so bad. It's like my stomach is literally sore or something. Like, it's so weird. I can't even see the door. Let me... All right, now we can shoot the door. Yeah, y'all, so is that your car? Yeah, let me get back so she can get out. I still can't see them. Okay, I'm good right here. Anyway, so yeah, hope everybody's having an amazing week thus far. I know y'all can't wait till the weekend come. I know I can't. My sister's birthday is on the 26th, my oldest sister. I need to call her and see what she's doing. We didn't even talk about her birthday when we went to the concert. We should have talked about it then to see what she was going to do. She probably not going to do nothing, because we're not that big about our birthdays. You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't be throwing parties and stuff like that. We might, you know, like, go out to eat or something like that. Go get some drinks or something. But it's not, you know, that serious for us. Okay, can I still see the door? Yeah, I can still see the door. I wonder why she thought she couldn't get out. She can easily get out. Anyway, so yeah, y'all. I'ma holler at y'all when Jaden gets in the car. Say hey! Hey! He had a good day at school today, y'all. He's happy. So we're going home. We'll see y'all in a bit. Say bye. Say bye-bye. You're so sweet. You can't beat me. You can't beat me. Guess what? I'm about to open the door. You beat me. You beat me, buddy. Bobby, calm down. Calm down, Bubba. Calm it on down, Bubba. Calm down, Bubba. Came home to a clean room, buddy. Yes. Hey, y'all, how was school? Great. I'm so happy to see my little stinker. Feeling? How you feeling?
My head hurts.
Okay, well, there go your pills right there.
Where?
Yeah, because I don't know where the button is.
It's that big red one. And that's how you turn it out, too. Wait, oh, Daddy got the fucking camera.
What are you doing? Oh. You play with your eyes? Oh! It's not.
Why is it not smoking like it was before?
I don't even know.
Oh.
I think we need to put
Is this turning to ice? Is the water turning to ice?
water? No.
I wonder if you can eat dry ice. Can you?
Girl, are you serious?
What?
Please don't try to eat the dry ice.
Maya, I'll pick it up. I picked it up. I picked it up.
Yeah.
Pick it up and
They
hold
said
it.
I wouldn't pick it up, and I just picked it up. I forgot this is in there. I've been up for 3 minutes. I'm sorry.
I wonder what happened if you put some apple cider vinegar in there.
That's gonna blow the house up. It is not that serious.
Yes, it is.
Ooh. Oh, my thumb. Oh, my hand.
Let me put.
Mm.
I thought to put it in her hand.
Oh, that is really cold. See about the port.
Don't look about
Girl,
to.
what are you doing?
This water is really cold. Like, it's really cold.
He's scary. You scary.
It's weird. It's bubbling cold.
You're weird.
Like usually water is bubbling, it's hot. It's bubbling cold.
Just put your
Put your hand there
I already put my hand in there.
and hold it.
Oh, it's so cold water. You hold it.
Pick up the ice. Where's... God, leave that water is cold.
It's not that cold, y'all.
Try and pick up the ice.
Oh, they can see the ice.
Hey, don't try this.
Anyways, I'm about to.
Nah, y'all try this at home.
Yeah, no, don't try this at home. We don't need no. My little girl hurt herself. No, kids, do not try this at home.
O's are getting made.
Oh,
Yes, O's. I'm trying to make a... I'm gonna make a tornado.
cool. Look at these.
Dry
Look at
ice.
these, Daddy.
I'm telling you, they got cool stuff you can do with dry ice.
Look.
Y'all don't want to make an ice bubble?
No.
How? Yes, I want to make them.
Oh, that's
Anyway, so.
a cute picture, lady,
Bye,
but
y'all. Where?
on your phone.
I'm dead.
Wait a minute, my finger. Feel like it been burnt on the stove or something.
That's what it feels like?
Yeah.
It
Yeah, that's
look like
the,
your finger
it
been
will
burnt
burn
on
you
the
for real. Be careful with that.
So, it was like 5 seconds that you had it in your hand. Ooh.
It wasn't even that long. It's more like 3.
I'm scared to do it.
You're such a scary cat.
You a scared cat.
You a scary cat.
Yeah.
He already have to put it down.
All right.
I want to make a bubble.
Look on your phone to see how to do it.
That's cool.
You could look, you know, cool things to do with dry ice. You find all kind of stuff.
Oh.
Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
Oh, that's cool.
Was that ice you flicked off your finger?
No, my finger is numb.
Huh?
Leave your finger
No,
in there.
no, I'm not.
Leave it in there.
You are such a scary cat.
It's just the water. Yeah, this is really cold.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's sticking to this bowl.
That's why I wasn't bubbling.
There it is.
Ooh, stop. Cool things to do with dry ice.
Boom!
You ain't scared me. He's
Scared
nasty.
me? Oh, that's my hair when you did that.
It's starting to get.
Y'all probably need to, I swear, if that bowl crack, ooh-wee!
Mama gonna be mad.
This water is just so cold. I really want to drink it. This is really.
Are you
light.
serious? No, don't drink that. It's full of carbon dioxide.
Oh, we put our tongue on it. That's why it tastes like that.
The smoke? Yeah, I guess.
Ooh, I can
And this ice is just dry. Ooh, snap.
ASMR tapping dry ice.
Girl, no. Uh-oh.
Get it up out of there.
Uh-oh.
Grab it with your hand, you scared?
Yeah, that has been in this cold water for so long.
Ah.
What? You heard that? Could y'all hear that?
Maya.
I wonder if this is just.
Scary
it's
cat.
cold.
Good girl. It's like regular cold ice.
But the ice is still in here though. This is really cold.
Here, hold this.
We got a couple of dirty dishes. That's it, y'all. It's normally worse.
That's
than
not
that.
gonna burn you, I don't think. Uh-oh.
He is.
Yeah, it's not cold. I mean, it's cold, but
Let me pick it up. Put it in my hand.
really?
Here.
I'm doing it.
Nah, you do it with a big one.
Sorry.
Let's see who can hold it the longest.
Daddy,
Hold
that's
it the
dangerous.
longest.
That is dangerous. How can I get your whole face?
Basketball. Ooh, you hold it too long.
I'll hold it. Give it to me.
Ooh.
Oh, that is too cold.
Look here.
See, you ain't even give my reaction. See?
I'm so dead.
Mm-mm.
I'm too dead. Yeah, y'all, it's crazy. Oh, take it up out of here.
Fun with dry ice. It never melt and turn into water. It just go from a solid ice to
Maya,
gas.
did you take one of them Lunchables to school?
No.
Oh, girl, don't take it to school.
I'm not, because it gotta be.
Y'all might want to be a Jamaican.
No, I don't.
Might want to be a Jamaican. Y'all. Maya's doing Jamaican food today. She been wanting to do Jamaican food for the longest. Come on, buddy. You want to come? Come on. You coming? You coming? You want to stay in the house?
Hey, come here.
Jaden,
Get in the car.
come on.
Come on.
Stop playing. Bye. Bye-bye. All right, bye.
Oh.
Okay. Bye-bye. He's so cute. Close it. Yeah, so
My nose.
Maya loves Jamaican food, just like Murder Show and me. He loves it. Did I say he? I mean, she loves it. I'm looking at Jaden. Y'all, let me holler at y'all real quick. Going back and forth with you. I'm living my best life, yeah. I ain't going back and forth with you. This is a jam. This is a jam. This is a jam. Hey, this is a jam. So we on our way. Y'all already know where we're going. What up, y'all? So we are at the Lovebird restaurant. Y'all need to go check this place out. I'm trying to tell y'all. Lovebird restaurant, Caribbean and American. Yeah, we about to go on in there. Y'all already know. I'm about to grab that drink up quick. The one made from that flour. I'm about to get me another one, y'all. But we gonna holler at y'all. Alright, y'all, so got the food and we are gone. We're out of here. I got my drink, baby. Sorrel, y'all. Maya liked it too, but she wanted to get a ting drink instead, so she got that.
Oh my God, it smells
What?
good.
I know, it smells so good. You about to open it?
Yeah. Oh my God. Where's my rice?
So good. You didn't ask for rice.
Are you serious?
Yes. If you would have gotten rice and beans, well then you would have had rice. But you wanted those two
Well, can I
sides.
go back in and give me some rice? Because I need some rice.
You can just get rice from home. We have rice.
I wish I got a
Your
make
daddy
rice.
just made a big old thing of rice. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so jelly roll. Let's go. Yeah, it is something big going on down this street. We're gonna try to see it if we can. It looked like it was a plane that came down. I'm not sure, but Maya's gonna hold it and see if she can get it when we pass by, whenever the light decides to change. But there's two police officers. Show them. Can you show them? Two police officers right at this light right here, and it's blocking this street on the side because there's something going on down there.
If this light would turn green. Oh God. Oh my God, your camera too heavy.
That's why you're supposed to hold it like that.
Oh, there it go. Don't go too fast.
I'm not. Just hold it real steady. Y'all see? Look. There's something going down. God.
I'm gonna look on the news.
I know. It'll be on the news. What up, y'all? It's nice and dark. But I am on my way to Ruchi's and to KFC. I'm going to Ruchi's because I want some nachos. God dog, I can't even see the seatbelt. Okay, here we go. I want some nachos. So I'm gonna go to Ruchi's to get those, and then I'm gonna go to KFC and get that new chicken sandwich. And Marshall says he wants to compare them to the other one. So I'm just gonna get like two so he can compare them against each other, see which one is better, the new one or the old. So yeah, y'all. Y'all tell me this. Tell me this. This is for people who have kids. Do you get your child service, phone service is what I'm talking about, just because they want it, or you get it for them because they need it? Let me know in the comments, okay? Let me know. It's very, very important. I want y'all's opinion on that. Do you get your child phone service because they want it, or because they need it? Like you need them to have it because you need them to call you, because, you know, they do certain things to where they need to call you, or do you just let them have service on their phone because they want service? Let me know in the comments, y'all. All my mamas, let me know. All right, y'all. So we're here. Ruchi's about to go get my food. What up, y'all? So we just finished the video.
You guys are whack.
Looks like the Kardashians and stole some more concepts from somebody else, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah, I'm watching a Lovely T's video right now. I just put... Did I already put it out? No, I'm about to start editing. Oh, excuse me. Editing the, Wait a minute. Did I put it out yet? Hold up, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm confused. Oh, yeah. Okay, yes. I just put out the vlog. And now I'm about to edit one of the mukbangs from today. So I won't have to do that tomorrow. So I'm just going to do one tonight. And then I'm going to go take a shower. You know, actually, before I edit this video, because I got the information coming into the computer right now, I'm going to twist my hair. Because it needs to be twisted. And I need to go get my nails done. I was going to wash my hair tonight, but my nails, you know how like your nails like are like chip or whatever, and it keeps like grabbing a hold of my hair, is I can't wash my hair when my nails are like that because it's gonna snag my hair while I'm in the shower. So I am gonna go get my nails done tomorrow, and then I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow. What is that on my nail? Anyway, yeah, it is about time. Do y'all see this? Like, it is completely about time. I mean, focus. Hello. Look at that. That is insanely ridiculous. So, yeah. Your girl's going to get her nails done tomorrow. Just because they need to get done and I need to wash my hair. So, anyway. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope that you guys have been enjoying all of my vlogs. I've been working hard, y'all. Trying to get these vlogs out to y'all. I want to thank everybody who's been watching and supporting and thumbing up the videos. I really appreciate that. Like, I really do. Make sure y'all thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video everywhere, y'all. And I will see you guys on tomorrow.